Hi everybody, just a quick video on how to use Invideo AI. So this is the website, it's amazing, and you sign up using your Pattern Google account here. So you'll be faced with this screen here and you can give it a topic. So I gave it how to create a perfect cup of tea. I'm going to fast forward here so that you can actually see hopefully the video. So how to create a perfect cup of tea, and then I pressed generate video and it gives me some options. So some of the options it gives me is like 30 seconds, 1 minute, etc. Stock media, this is basically the free subscription. So if you go for this one here, it won't have watermarks on there, but that costs a little bit of money. So I just go with stock media, but it has a few watermarks, but it's great for what I need it to be used for. So for starter activities, for example, we've had some teachers using it for how to teach how to hit a softball off a tee, how to explain caroling and Christmas festivities. So they've been really great little starter activities. Students have had fun engaging with them too. So for this one, for how to create a perfect cup of tea, I want 30 seconds. My audience is a tea enthusiast, and I'm going to have a YouTube, and then I can continue, and that will generate a video for me. I'm allowed to edit it as well, and change pictures. If I kind of want a different picture, I can do that too. So it's quick. It's quite basic, but it's really effective. The feedback from the teachers who have been using it is great. So have some fun with it. It's Invideo AI, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and let me know how your videos go. So this one's generating now, so it'll be interesting to see what it looks like. But yeah, have some fun.
Good morning, colleagues. Things are a little bit crazy in the Taylor household today because I left my laptop at school, and so I'm on my son's laptop, and everything is just different, put it that way. So first for me, I'm just going to talk about, we subscribe to something called First News, and if you go to the Firefly dashboard, let me click on Firefly dashboard, and this is on the students dashboard as well. Under citizenship, there is a link to First News. I use First News with my tutor group to do the crosswords and things like this. I think it's a really good resource that is underutilized in our schools. So under citizenship, you click on First News. Each week, Tracy puts the PDF version of First News into a blog post, so you can click on that and then have a look at it. But it's these two resources here that I want to focus on a little bit. One of them is called Printables, and the other one is actually a link to all of the news resources and things like this that are on every day. So the Printables, I'm not going to go through everything that's on here because there is just a lot. But I do want you to click on the link and just have an explore of all of the different things that are available related to the news that's ongoing. And here you can see this is the daily news that appears on the First News. I use it a lot as a tutor. Okay, next, motion sickness. Now, I have an iPhone. There is a version of this on Android as well in beta, but if you're on your iPhone and you swipe down, and you can search for motion, and I didn't realize that this was on there, but you can get this option here which says here, look, reduce motion. It is an option for you to switch on what they call these cues. Look, I don't know if you can read this backwards, but it says automatically, so vehicle motion cues, so that when you're in a car and the car is moving, you get these motion cues. How it works, I don't really know, but they're like little dots on the side of the screen, and the dots slightly move as the car moves backwards and forwards. But it helps reduce motion sickness whilst you're reading on a device. It works on the iPhone. You can't really see the dots on there, but trust me, they're there. Have a search for that on your phone if you are susceptible to motion sickness whilst you are reading content in the car. Lastly from me is in Edge, on any web page, if you want to see a full version of the image, you press Control twice, 1, 2, and the image comes up and you get high-res version of the image. Or you can just right-click on the image and go to Magnify Image. It's the same feature. hopefully you've learned something from Tracy as well. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.